Hi, if you're an agency and you have multiple clients and new clients are coming in every day and you are looking for a platform where you can host their websites, you can deliver them designs really fast, and the designs need to look really good, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to explore Doric's agency plan. So let's go. The account you see here in this screen is an agency plan. Let me show you what are the differences. If you're under an agency plan, you will see some extra things here in the menu like agency settings. In this agency settings, you will see client billing, invoices, and SMTP. You know what this do. Client billing, straightforward. You want to bill your clients. You want to set up a internal payment. We don't take any commissions or fees, by the way. You can simply connect your Stripe. You can start billing your clients. Which brings me to invoices, where you can see past invoices in your account. You can also set up SMTP to send mails and other stuff. Okay, so now for the main question. I have a client. I want to deliver them the website. What do I do? You can do two things. You can create the site entirely by AI, which by the way is not that risky. Don't worry about any kind of AI slop or anything like that. Our AI is designed by designers to give you proper results. You can also create a new site. Let's see what create a new site does. When you go to create a new site, you will see all these templates that are already created, which by the way are free. You can access them in the free account as well. So let's say your client has a bakery. So choose food, which is related to bakery, and you will see a bakery template here. Okay. When you click on preview, you will be taken to the preview page of this template. See if the client likes this template, which of course you cannot show them because if you are taking the white label service, you don't want Doric's name to pop up. But if you like the template, you can simply click on use theme and start using it. Your site is set up, your dashboard is set up, everything's done. You can simply invite your client inside this site to see it, to give you feedback and all that kind of cool stuff. So to do that, go to this option, advanced configuration, invite them as a team member. Okay, over here you can invite your teammates in your agency, or you can invite your client. You just simply put their email address, give them a role. For clients, I will suggest giving them an administrator role because they want full access, right? So once you do that, click on send invitation and done. You can also add custom roles where you will be able to choose what they view and what they don't, what they delete or what they read, all that kind of stuff. As I've said previously, you can build your clients. So how do you do that? You can go to client billing, click on send billing request, and just give the info here. And a billing request will be sent to your client. You can also add your own custom logo. You can also add your service provider for chatting with your clients. Whether you use Intercom or Crisp, we have almost any chat service provider over here. Now, say your client has some custom requirements. What do? Well, for that kind of stuff, I will always suggest you go with create new site with AI. Over here, you just give the AI the details about the client's business or the type of website you're looking for, and you're good to go. Let me show you how it works. All right, let's say your client has a bakery in LA. I'm just gonna write this bakery LA, give it a prompt. I have already done this before, so I'm just pasting it, and then click on generate your website. You'll be taken inside the dashboard like previously we did with the template, and you can see the website being built out here in real time. Well, you can see the AI getting to work. Alrighty, we have our website here. Now, is this better than the template? Is this worse? You be the judge of it. If you don't like it, you can regenerate the page. It's unlimited, go crazy. Now, if you want to have your client preview this, go to this publish link here, and you will see the subdomain link, which will take you to the publish end, which you can share to your clients and be like, hey, what do you think of this website? Let me know your thoughts. You get instant feedback. Clients love that. If you like what you see, just go to pricing and activate the Doric agency plan, which is $79 a month, which I'm sure that anybody can afford. There's everything included. Every single feature that we've built and we're going to be probably building for agencies is going to be included in the Doric agency plan. So go crazy. If you have any questions, you can let me know at support@doric.com, or you can go to this bubble over here. Our support team is very responsive. Trust me on this. They even get on the calls and they will help you with anything you need. Okay, so go ask them your questions if you're still confused, and I hope you enjoy using Doric and it helps your business.